Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the question. We have a formula over here. That is t equals to 2 pi times square root of L over 9.8. So the time it takes your clock pendulum to repeat its motion is called its period. The formula above shows the relationship between t, the period of pendulum in seconds, and L, the length of the pendulum in meters. So which of the following is closest to L when t equals to 8? So I have to find the value of L in this formula when t equals to 8. So let's plug in t is equal to 8 into this formula. Then I'm getting 8 equals to 2 pi times square root of L over 9.8. Okay, so now our aim is to solve for L. So for that, we have to get rid of all the values around the variable L. So first, let me get rid of this pi, which is multiplied by the square root. So for that, I have to divide both sides by 2 pi. So here, this 2 pi will cancel out. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times. So I get 4 over pi equals to square root of L over 9.8. So now let's get rid of this square root. For that, we have to square both sides. So let me square both sides. So the square and square root will cancel out. So since this 2 is a common exponent for numerator and denominator, the exponent 2 can be distributed to the numerator and denominator. Then I'll be getting 4 square over pi square equals to L over 9.8. Okay, so now to get rid of this 9.8, I have to multiply both sides by 9.8. So this 9.8, 9.8 will cancel out. So here 9.8 times. So the value of 4 square is 16 over. So and for pi, we can use approximate value 3.14. So we have pi square, we have then 3.14 the whole square equals to L. So now we have to multiply this 9.8 times 16. So when I multiply 9.8 times 16, I'll be getting 156.8. And the square of 3.14 is 9.8596 equals to L. Okay, so using calculator, we can simplify this one further. So then we get approximately 15.9 as the value of L. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.